Hello, I'm Gabriela Cocos, and this is Wiki project for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. For this project, I had to design a wiki-like online encyclopedia following several requirements. Whenever a user visits /wiki/ a title of an entry, he gets the content for that entry. If the entry does not exist, the user gets an error message. The user can click on any entry and he is taken to the content of that entry. The user can type in a query into the search box. If the search query exists, the user is then redirected to the content of that page. Otherwise, the user gets an error message or a list of the entries that have the query as a substring. When the user clicks on Create New Page link, he is taken to a form where he can create a new encyclopedia entry. If an entry exists with that title, the user gets an error message. The user can save the entry and he is redirected to that page. On every entry page, there is an edit button that redirects users to that page where they can edit the Markdown content. When a user clicks random page link, he is taken to a random encyclopedia page. The Markdown content in the entry file is converted to HTML before being displayed to the user. This was Wiki Project. Thank you.